Embark on a nostalgic culinary voyage through the gastronomic tapestry of Sri Lanka, right here in Dubai. Pullman Dubai Creek City Centre, in celebration of 25 years of hospitality, proudly presents Chronicles of Ceylon. Join our executive chef Roziro and executive pastry chef Dammika as they pay homage to recipes passed down over generations. Every dish tells a story woven with spices, love and traditions. Savor a symphony of flavors brought together from 5 regions of the resplendent island. Join us from the 24th to the 26th of November at the Medley Restaurant. Reserve your table today.